The 4WD System Unavailable service required error is a common issue affecting Jeep Cherokee models from 2014 to 2025, particularly those equipped with active drive systems. The Cherokee uses an electronic 4-valve system with several key components working together. The power transfer unit distributes power, the rear drive module controls rear wheel engagement, and the 4-valve control module manages the entire system. The most common cause is power transfer unit problems. The PTU can fail due to low or contaminated fluid, internal mechanical damage, or overheating from insufficient lubrication. The rear drive module can fail due to actuator motor problems or damaged wiring. The 4-valve control module may experience software corruption or communication errors with other vehicle systems. Sensor malfunctions can also trigger this error. Wheel speed sensors, transfer case position sensors, and temperature sensors all communicate with the 4WD system. Electrical issues like blown fuses or damaged wiring can disrupt these communications. Most failures occur between 60,000 and 100,000 miles, with higher rates in extreme climates. Regular maintenance is crucial. PTU fluid should be changed every 60,000 miles, despite manufacturer claims of lifetime fluid. Diagnosing the 4WD system error requires a systematic approach. The first step is performing an OBD2 scan to retrieve specific error codes from the vehicle's computer system. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection. Check for obvious damage, fluid leaks, or corrosion around electrical connections and mechanical components. The third critical step is checking the power transfer unit fluid level and condition. Contaminated or low fluid is a common cause of a 4WD system failures. Based on diagnosis results, several repair options are available. Costs vary significantly depending on the root cause, from simple software updates to complete component replacement. Prevention is key to avoiding costly repairs. Regular maintenance, proper driving habits, and early attention to warning signs can prevent major 4WD system failures. Expert technicians emphasize that regular PTU fluid changes are critical, despite manufacturer claims of lifetime fluid. Early diagnosis can prevent catastrophic failures and save thousands in repair costs.